Welcome students of class 12. We are discussing on the topic that is p block element. The unit is p block element, and lastly we have completed the group 16 element. Now today it is the first part of group 17 elements. Now group 17 elements are called halogens. Why they are called halogens? Halogen, this word is a Greek word that is sea salt forming, and the halogen elements are found in the as a soluble salt in the sea water. So for what are the members of this group? Group 17: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Next one, what is their atomic number? 9, 17, 35, iodine 53 and 32, that is 85. This is the atomic number. Now first of all, its physical state. Before going to the physical state, what is the occurrence? Now fluorine is found in the ore form, that is fluorspar. Calcium in the form of fluorspar, that is the formula having calcium fluoride and calcium phosphate. Next one, the fluorapatite, it is also an ore of fluorine. Chlorine found in the rock salt, that is sodium chloride, and also carnallite, this is the ore of chlorine. Bromine is found as bromocarnallite and also in the seawater. Next one, iodine, found in seawater or sea vapor or sea winds. Next one, Chile saltpeter, that is Chile saltpeter is contaminated with sodium iodate, NaIO3. It is the source of iodine. Next one, that is astatine. Astatine is radioactive in nature and found in the earth crust in very small amount. Now next one is the physical state. Physical state. Fluorine is gas, chlorine is also gas, bromine is liquid, iodine is solid. Fluorine, chlorine gas, bromine, iodine. Bromine is liquid and iodine is solid. Now why this is gas, why this is liquid, and why this is solid? Now this is due to the van der Waals interaction or van der Waals force in the molecule. As the molecular size increases and atomic number increases, the van der Waals force increases. As we know that van der Waals force is a short dimension force, that is it works in the internucleus distance 1 by r to the power 6. It is the internuclear distance. Within this range, van der Waals force works. Now here it is maximum in case of iodine for the larger atomic number, and it is minimum for fluorine, and for this reason these two are gases. Iodine is liquid because of higher molecular mass than fluorine and chlorine, and iodine is of solid in nature. Next one, that is general electronic configuration. General electronic configuration. Everyone knows the general electronic configuration of this group is NH2 NP5. So only one electron devoid of its octet fulfillment, and this is the reason for very physical and chemical properties of the group. It is the special property of that group that it is of high reactive due to the one electron short from its octet from the group like group 15 or group 16, etc. So what is the reason behind this higher activity? That is one electron short of its octet. So at a time it will release, it will absorb electron from the other species. Next one, that is then we have to come some physical data, that is electronegativity. Now electronegativity is the property of the element, and it is maximum for that of the group 17 element. Why this electronegativity data is maximum for group 17 elements? Because group 17 elements is only one electron short from its octet fulfillment. Now, as if we it attracts one electron, then it will attain the nearest noble gas configuration, and for this reason the high electronegativity is observed in case of group 17 elements. What are the electronegativity data? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Fluorine have the maximum electronegativity data. It is in the Pauling scale 4, and in case of chlorine it is equal to 3, 2.8 and 2.5. So fluorine is most electronegative, and it is the most electronegative element in the whole periodic table also. Next one, that is after the electronic configuration, next data is electron gain enthalpy. Now electron gain enthalpy is how can we define electron gain enthalpy? That when a electron will absorb from the outermost cell, then what is the amount of energy released or energy absorbed? Energy release comes in the form of negative electron gain enthalpy, and if energy is given to the system, then it comes with the positive. So electron gain enthalpy may be positive or negative. All the elements of this group have a negative electron gain enthalpy. For fluorine, it is equal to minus 333. For fluorine, the electron gain enthalpy, fluorine is equal to minus 333 kilojoule mole inverse. For chlorine, it is equal to minus 349. Bromine, iodine. For bromine, it is equal to minus 325, and for iodine, it is equal to minus 296 kilojoule per mole. It is the electron gain enthalpy data. Now, here we should expect that fluorine have the highest electron gain enthalpy among the elements. Now here the experimental data is it is lower than that of the chlorine. Why this is lower? Because of there is the reason that, and number one, it is number one, that is very small size of fluorine, and number two, that is intra electronic repulsion. This is the two reasons for which the electron gain enthalpy is lowest than that of the chlorine. It is the reason behind that. Next one, fluorine has negative electron gain enthalpy than chlorine. We just discussed about that. You may write down the question that fluorine has less negative electron gain enthalpy than chlorine. Why? Next one, that is the next one, that is the electronegativity. Electronegativity, why electronegativity is highest in this period? Because of its small size and higher nuclear charge. Higher nuclear charge, due to higher nuclear charge, greater interaction or attraction towards the outermost nucleus, outermost electron, and for this reason it is of higher electronegative in nature. Electronegativity is from left to right in the period it is increases, and down the group it is decreases. Why electronegativity is decreases down the group? We everyone know it is due to the size increasing and also due to the extranuclear path, which is increasing with increasing atomic number. Next one, all the halogens are colored in nature. Fluorine is light yellow color. Fluorine is light yellow. Chlorine is yellowish. greenish yellow, greenish yellow. Bromine is red, I think. Reddish brown. And iodine is violet. Why this color comes? We know that from the class 11, that is the atomic structure, there is a part that is the atomic spectra, that is due to the absorption of energy for the electronic excitement. Now in case of fluorine, there is high inter molecular force or inter electronic nuclear attractive force is there, but for iodine it is less because of greater size, and as it here the higher attractive force in between the nucleus and the electron, so here higher energy is required to upliftment of electron from the ground state to the excited state. Ground state to the excited state is higher energy is required for fluorine, but for iodine it is less because the electrons are less tightly held with the molecular or nuclear attractive force, and for this reason the fluorine absorbs higher energy. Now as it absorbs higher energy, so higher energy is comes from the blue region, so it will absorb in the blue region and it will show its complementary color. It will show the complementary color, and due to it is light yellow. So in case of chlorine, here something darker than that of the fluorine. Bromine is reddish brown and iodine is violet because it absorbs less amount of energy or to emit the violet color. It is the reason behind this. Next one, that is bond dissociation enthalpy. Now fluorine, just we have to clear the board. Next one, that is bond dissociation enthalpy. Now bond dissociation enthalpy is the amount required to free up an atom from its bonded situation. Bond dissociation enthalpy. For fluorine, the data is 158 in kilojoule per mole. 158 for chlorine, for bromine, and for iodine. Now for fluorine it is equal to 158, for chlorine it is equal to 242.8, for bromine it is equal to 192.8, and for iodine is equal to 151.1. Now we should expect that fluorine should be of maximum bond dissociation enthalpy because the nuclear attractive force is maximum in case of fluorine, but the reason is that first of all small size, and second one is inter electronic repulsion. So first of all small size, and second one is inter-electronic repulsion, and for these two reasons it has a lower value of bond dissociation enthalpy than that of the chlorine. So this is all about the physical characteristics of group 17 elements, that is the first of all its state, that is gas, liquid and solid. It is due to the van der Waals attractive force. Second one, that is the atomic radius, and third one is the electronegativity. It is of highest electronegativity in the period. Second one is the electron gain enthalpy, and third one is the bond dissociation enthalpy. On the next class we will start with the chemical properties of the element.